Hey guys, I'm making this video because of an awful incident that happened to my client. My client went to buy a brand new generator. And you know, of course, in this particular channel, we posted videos that have to help you in terms of purchasing brand new generators. Series of videos have been posted already. So my client actually followed this same pattern in purchasing the generator. But unfortunately, these crooks have become smarter and wiser. So on this particular video, I'm just going to show you another way to identify a genuine generator when you go out to various stores to buy a generator. This is a game changer, and I know after this video upload, a lot of these clues will come from my head, but I'm ready for them. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this video. I'll be using this particular generator to show you guys how to identify a genuine generator when you go out to your shops, or when you go out to various shops to get a generator. This generator particularly is an LFR constant effect generator. This generator is one of the best generators I admire. I actually love this gen because it's a mid-budget generator and it can be used for mid-budget families as well. Okay, in our last video that talked about how to identify generators, what we did with that was to show you guys how to know a genuine generator with the crest on their tank. One of those things we talked about at length was, if you find a generator, check their tank. There is always a crest on their tank. Just like this LFR constant generator, there's a crest on their tank. We also said for generators like this, if you check their engine, there's a numbering on their engine and there's also a crest on their engine. This particular LFR constant generator does not have a crest on this part of the engine, but if you check inside of the generator after losing the tank, you will see a particular crest. You can find that by just dipping your hand into the engine and check. If you dip your hand into the engine, you will notice an embossment. I think that's the right term for it. You notice an embossment that something was crested. So that shows this particular generator is genuine. Another way to identify a genuine generator is to check the rear part of the generator. If you check this rear part of the generator, you will notice that constant is written here. Constant is what was created on the tank already. So you notice constant is written here. This clearly shows this particular generator is genuine. Another way to identify this generator is to check the exhaust end. If you check the exhaust end, there is a crest on it. That is not just the only way. Another way is to check this part, the top cylinder end. If you check this valve cover, you will notice there's also a crest on it. Okay, and same applies to the carburetor. Not just that, if you also check this particular part, you will see an embossment or an engravement or a crest, as you would want to call it. So this was what I posted in the last video that helped you identify a genuine generator. But you see guys, these crooks are way smarter now. As a matter of fact, when my client got this generator, I was shocked because it took a while for me to really recognize this generator has been tampered with, that this generator was fake. That particular generator he got had all this crest on it, but guess what? That generator has been tampered with. So how do you know a generator that has been tampered with? If you have watched this particular video to this particular point, I urge you to subscribe, turn on notification, and if possible, share these videos to friends and family so that when videos of this contents of this magnitude are posted, you are among the first to see them. If you still want to join our membership community, I assure you our membership community is one of the best you can find anywhere because of the tweaks and the perks attached to it. You can simply just join the membership community. By the way, just read through the slider on this video and get more information to many things we have to offer on this channel. Let's continue guys. For this particular generator, this generator always comes with a copper alternator. So most times, because these crooks want to get a high-end profit, what they do is to lose out the copper alternator and fix in an aluminum alternator because they want to have high-end profit and they sell at the same price. Okay, remember, copper alternator are way better than aluminum alternator. If you have followed these videos, my videos on this channel, you should know that by now. So what they do is they pick out the alternator that is copper and fix in an aluminum alternator, but you getting it would not know because you follow these various patterns I briefly discussed in my videos, you would think your gen is genuine, but unfortunately the gen is not genuine. What you need to do at that particular point in time is to quickly check the bolts. If you check the bolts of your generator, just check the bolts of your generator, or especially the bolts of this particular end, you will notice they are quite clean. When I mean they are quite clean, nothing has touched it, no spanner has touched it, so it is very clear and crisp that this particular generator has not been tampered with. Okay, you simply check this your bolts and you see that they has not been tampered. Another way to quickly check if your generator has not been tampered with is to quickly head over to the exhaust end here. When you head over to the exhaust end, you will notice that this particular LFR constant, I think Fireman does it as well. This particular LFR constant, they find a way of using a marker, or I don't know what they use actually, but in all the generators I've gotten from them, you will notice that there's a marker that connects this bolt to this other exhaust hanger. What happens now, if you lose this bolt and you tighten it back, it will not fit in. I assure you that it cannot fit in. Okay, what they successfully done now is to tell you that anytime you buy a generator and you somehow discover that this bolt is not in line with the mark on this hanger, that means that generator has been tampered with. You see, that is not all. You can simply find all this, you get, but there are other ways these people may trick you, because the more we talk about these videos on how to identify a genuine generator, the more they see our videos and the more they try to make better plans on how to swindle money from suspecting clients. There's another way to really confirm if your generator, a new generator you're about getting, has been tampered with. I will quickly take you guys to this gasket here. My client who got his generator some days back, one of the things that made me identify this generator easily was that this gasket here, if you notice this gasket here, you will see that this gasket here is so clean, right? What this means is nothing has happened to this gasket. This gasket has not been touched. As a matter of fact, you would not notice any gum on this gasket. By gum, I mean gasket gum on this gasket. But you see, for other generators that has been tampered with, let's assume they have been used for some reason, they got to a seller's hand and perhaps it has one or two issues. You will notice when they lose this place, they tend to put a gasket, a fresh gasket. For those that don't put a fresh gasket, another thing they tend to do is to put a gasket gum. And if you notice very well, when they put a gasket gum, the gum somehow comes out from this end. You will notice, just except you are not observant. If you are observant, you will notice the gum has come out from this particular end. That simply shows you that generator has been tampered with. I really want you guys to take note of all this, because the more we try to drop these videos on how to identify a genuine generator, the more these crooks try to equally improve their ways of swindling money from unsuspecting clients. Okay guys, that is it from us from this particular video. I hope this video has really opened your eyes to ways to identify a genuine generator. I really hope when next you get a generator, the generator of course is going to last for you. You are going to enjoy usage of that generator because you actually get quality. I find it awful when I see guys who swindle money from suspecting people because they want to make an extra profit. I don't think it's wise at all. So on this particular channel, we'll keep posting videos and tricks that will help you in your generator usage. Till we meet in our next class, it's goodbye from us. Thank you.